Hey guys, it's me. I love AG 28. So now I'm gonna unbox this Baby Alive doll. So I am gonna get some mix out. This is really cute. So and then we have some food that we need to get out here. Whoops. And it comes with a spoon and other little kind of accessories that the doll can use. Also comes with some food packets. These are different food packets, I guess. They're different. So we have a strawberry food packet and a ice cream flavor food packet. And also came with this magnet spoon. So it's in your mouth. So next, is we have Baby Alive mixer thing. So now we have the little mixer, the little conduit. How is it open? So just take this off. And then this is easy taking off, and then we can just put it back on the Baby Alive blender. So this is super duper cute. I love that idea that Baby Alive doll came with that. And then also came with a pink comb, the new pink comb. Also trapped in here. This is, how many versions of this doll? I'm gonna have to look. And then I have a new Splash Baby Alive doll, Mermaid Baby again. So she was a Robin doll. So I got So she comes with 1 and 2 diapers. You can never have too many Baby Alive diapers. So I think Cream is going to be Angela or Angel. And then her bottle is a green, like a blue sippy cup bottle. So here's that. Now last but not least, we have to get this little, I have a perfect name for her. She likes strawberries, so I should name her Strawberry. There we go. Alright, yeah. instructions and how they do it. First, the blender, and then I'll fill the line with water. Use that, use that, use that, and push. So pretty simple. Thanks for watching, and I love you guys.